Hola, buenos días, chicos. I am just going to walk you through our assignment on La Identidad. So you should be able to find it in Teams. It's posted in the general channel, and it should also be posted under assignments for you. So if you go to view, then you should be able to see the instructions. You should be able to see the files. So you are watching the instruction video for this lesson right now. The first thing I'm going to have you do is go to Pear Deck and watch this presentation. And it's going to look like this, right? All right, so you got your title slide, La Identidad. We're obviously going to be talking about La Identidad. And then you have 4 questions that you are going to answer. You can come down here and you can use a pencil. If you are not great at writing, I would not recommend that. You can use a highlighter, you can use a line, you can use text. I highly recommend you do that. You can pick your color you want here, and then you just want to type your answer. Remember, you're answering in Spanish, okay? All right, once you got your 4 answers, then you can advance to the next slide. All right, so this one, you've got this lovely blue icon here. You are just going to drag it to how you feel. And if you are kind of in the middle, then you can go out here. That's just to get a little idea of how you're feeling, okay? All right, next one. This is a drawing slide again. You can either draw or you can do text. I highly suggest you do text, but you can pick what color you want. You are going to reread the quote, and then you are going to answer those 2 questions about the quote. Then you're going to watch this video. It's a poem. So you're going to watch it. As you're watching it, you can rewatch it if you need to, because then on the next slide, you have 3 questions. And you just need to complete the sentence. Your answer, I want you to number them. So number 1, and then your answer. Number 2, and then your answer. Number 3, and then your answer, so that I know what you answered for each one of those 3 questions, okay? All right. Then you are going to go to the next one, which is, oh, sorry. Let's just make sure that we got it. Yeah, apparently. Okay, last question on this slide. As conexiones, you are going to make connections between your life and the life of the boy that was in the poem, that wrote the poem. You can go back and watch the poem as many times as you need, and then there are also some discussion boards on Teams for the activities on this slide, so make sure you check the discussion boards. The other thing that you are going to do is, if you go back into Teams to the assignment, you will see that you have this bio poema, right? Each one of you has a copy of it. There's an example here for you. This is the structure of what it should look like. This is the example. Down here is where you are going to write your poem. All right, and then make sure you submit it onto Teams for me, and then we will be you'll be sharing them as well with your classmates. So be ready to make sure whatever you write is something that you are ready to share. Okay. All right. Have a good one.